Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to combine data from multiple sheets in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with information spread across different tabs and need to bring it all together in one place for analysis or reporting. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the workspace you need to access. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to combine your data from multiple sheets. This will be your main working file, the one that will house all the combined information you're pulling together. Take a moment to ensure you've opened the right spreadsheet, as working in the correct file from the start will save you time and hassle later. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the cell where you want your combined data to appear. This is the starting point for your combined dataset, so choose a cell that gives you enough room to display all the information you're about to pull in. In this cell, you're going to type a special formula that tells Google Sheets exactly what data to combine and from where. Type =, followed by an opening curly bracket. This opening bracket signals to Google Sheets that you're about to combine multiple ranges of data. Next, type the name of your first sheet followed by an exclamation mark. For example, if your first sheet is called sample, you would type sample. The exclamation mark is crucial here because it separates the sheet name from the cell range you're about to specify. Now, navigate to that first sheet and select the range of data you want to combine. Let's say you want to pull data from cells B2 through B8. Copy that range, which would be B2, B8, and paste it right after the exclamation mark in your formula. At this point, your formula should look something like dis sample B2, B8. You're not done yet. To add data from another sheet, type a semicolon void right after your first range. This semicolon acts as a separator between different data ranges. Now type the name of your second sheet. If your second sheet name has spaces in it, like sample3, you'll need to wrap it in single quotation marks so it would look like sample3. Follow that with an exclamation mark, just like you did with the first sheet. Head over to that second sheet and copy the range of data you want to combine from there. Go back to your formula and paste this range right after the exclamation mark. Your formula is almost complete. Finally, close the entire formula with a closing curly bracket and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Once you press Enter, Google Sheets will process your formula and display all the combined data from both sheets in the cell you selected. The data will appear stacked vertically, making it easy to view and work with all at once. And there you have it. You've successfully combined data from multiple sheets in Google Sheets using a simple formula. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.